Here are 15 facts about how to be rich. 1. Start early. The earlier you start saving and investing, the more time your money has to grow. 2. Live below your means. Spend less money than you earn and invest the difference. 3. Pay off debt. High-interest debt can eat away at your wealth, so make a plan to pay it off as quickly as possible. 4. Invest wisely. Choose investments that are appropriate for your risk tolerance and time horizon. 5. Rebalance your portfolio regularly. As your financial situation changes, make sure your portfolio still reflects your risk tolerance and investment goals. 6. Automate your finances. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings and investment accounts. This will help you save and invest consistently, even when you're busy. 7. Increase your income. Earn more money by getting a raise at your current job, starting a side hustle, or investing in a business. 8. Reduce your expenses. Cut back on unnecessary spending, such as eating out and shopping. 9. Be patient. It takes time and discipline to build wealth. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results immediately. Here are some additional facts about how to be rich. 10. Invest in yourself. Educate yourself about personal finance and investing. The more you know about money, the better equipped you will be to make sound financial decisions. 11. Take advantage of tax breaks. There are a number of tax breaks available to help you save money and grow your wealth. Be sure to consult with a tax advisor to learn more about which tax breaks you may be eligible for. 12. Get help from a financial advisor. If you need help managing your finances or creating an investment plan, consider working with a financial advisor. A financial advisor can help you develop a personalized plan to reach your financial goals. 13. Be mindful of your spending habits. Pay attention to where you are spending your money and identify areas where you can cut back. 14. Create a budget. A budget can help you track your spending and make sure you are living within your means. 15. Don't compare yourself to others. Everyone's financial journey is different. Focus on your own goals and don't worry about what other people are doing. Following these tips can help you on your journey to becoming rich. Remember, it takes time and discipline, but it is possible to achieve your financial goals.